Okay, so hello everybody. This is the Hololens 2 office showroom. This is the project that I worked on. Yeah, so I'll be going through the features. So firstly, we have the panels, information panels. So yeah, you can use your fingers to select the panels, and the panels are scalable, and you can put text information or images in the panels itself. Yep. So you use your fingers to push the buttons, and the panels are only scalable and transformable with both finger inputs, so you have to use both fingers. And this is the AR features in the office, some of them. So there are like videos on walls, on posters, like for example this unlimited access. Yeah. And there are also various AR objects around. Yep, and this is the ship feature that I also worked on. So initially it's just a big ship that you can move around, and if you press the disassemble ship button, the ship can be disassembled into 3 parts, which you can then move around and look accordingly. And the reassemble button will just reassemble the ship. Yep, and there are moving textures and etc. Yeah, and this is done on the HoloLens 2. So this is another feature that I worked on, and it is the robot feature. So there are 2 buttons on the robot, and you have to use the pinch gesture to select the buttons, and then the robot will lead to the respective places. So right now it's going to the demo room. As you can see, yep. And now I'm also going to show another feature of the robot. So right now I'm moving to another location on the office, and you can see the button right there. It's the button to call for the robot. So same thing, you use the pinch gesture and the robot will come to your location. Yep, and this is the second part, which is the house showroom. So the house showroom uses Vuforia 3D object tracking. So what it does is it tracks the AR object onto the real life board 3D object. Yep, as you can see. And there is also a panel right here. And this panel is the level selector. So you can select which level of the house you want to go to. So there's also a reset button to reset all the positions and the sizes. And each button allows you to select a floor for you to inspect. It will be enlarged and be easier to select as it will be placed at the top. Each house is scalable, rotatable only in one axis, and transformable. Yeah, so the main feature of this is that you're able to bring it out and place it in the real life world as an AR object, and then you can walk around to see different angles of the house. And so these are the different levels. Yeah, and this is another strength of this, of why I did this, is you can look inside the different angles from inside the house or from a top down view, and you can look at it from whatever angle you want.